What up, man? It's your boy Pujo, Urban Syndicate Armory. We got a little something in the mail today from Kalashnikov. This is a optic, I believe. Hadn't seen a lot of videos on it on YouTube. I figured I liked how it looked. Hey man, let's go ahead and order it and see what it look like, man. See what it do. So this will be an official unboxing. All right. Alright, we got some paper. We got a little warning label, I guess, saying thank you, I guess, from the guys at Kalashnikov. And this is the optic. Hello. Let's see what's on the inside of it. All right, get this out of the way. There it is. BARS, Advanced Combat Micro Optic is what it says it is. All right, so let's get in here, man. Let's see what's in here. Good, they gave me a battery. I was kind of wondering if they was gonna give me a battery. Some more instructions, setup instructions and whatnot. Got your little microfiber cloth there that they all send you. I wonder if it got if it's labeled, it's got his logo or anything on it. Let's see. Don't have their logo, they brand nowhere on it. It's just a little cloth to wipe it off, wipe it down. Like you got some little tools to put it on. Appreciate it. And this is the optic. Let's get that out of there. Nice. I like this one because it had the circular optic window. It looks kind of like a Trigicon SRO. You got your adjustments here and here. Seems like there's no solar panel or anything like that. It looks like this might have an optional solar panel in the future, maybe. It looks like that may go right there perfectly. I like it. Low profile optic. These are made, actually, I think these are made for AK-47s, I guess, because it's coming from Kalashnikov, so that would make sense. But yeah, I think these are made for AK-47s, but I'm gonna see what it do on my AK-47, and I'm gonna try to put it on something else to see how it fits and how it sits on there. But yeah, good look at it. This is a Kalashnikov BARS optic. Red dot optic. I'm gonna put the battery in here and see what that rectal look like. Cool. So this has a little battery compartment here. This is your battery compartment. Take these two screws off here and it slides right out, which is a good thing because that way I don't have to take it off my rifle if I need to switch out batteries. I don't think this has a shake wake function, but I'm not positive, all the way positive. I'm gonna get it out on the range and see what it do, but that's your, see if I can get that red dot in there. Let me see, is it up? There we go. It'll get pretty bright. That's not really representing how it looks actually to the eye, but the dot's not that big. But yeah, that's pretty good looking. I like that circular window. Some nice big viewing window. I like that. So yeah, can't wait to get this out on the range, man. See what it do, sight it in, and have some fun with it, man. This Kalashnikov BARS. It's a really good optic. It feels good. This is metal, all metal. It's nice and sturdy, you know. Yeah, can't wait to get this out, man. Hey man, if you like this, like, comment, subscribe, holla at your boys, man. If you got something like this, let me know how you like it, how you don't like it. We all about that, all right? Peace.
Big Cindy.